Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to download and enable Windows Sandbox on Windows 11. Windows Sandbox is available only on the Pro, Enterprise, and Education editions of Windows 11. To check your edition, press Windows and I together to open Settings. Go to System, then click About at the bottom. Look for the edition under Windows Specifications. If you're on Home Edition, you won't be able to use Sandbox. Sandbox requires virtualization to be enabled. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Performance tab and look for virtualization on the bottom right. If it says Enabled, you're good to go. If not, you'll need to enable it in your BIOS settings. You can check my previous video on how to enable virtualization on Windows 11 by clicking the I button. Press Windows and S together and search for Turn Windows features on or off. Click on it. In the window that opens, scroll down and look for Windows Sandbox. Check the box next to it and click OK. Windows will install the required files. Once done, restart your computer when prompted. After the restart, press Windows and S together and search for Windows Sandbox. Click to open it. A secure, isolated environment will launch, looking like a fresh installation of Windows. You can now safely run files, test applications, or browse the internet without affecting your main system. When you close Sandbox, everything inside it is permanently deleted. That's how you download and enable Windows Sandbox on Windows 11. It's a great tool for safe testing and troubleshooting.